wishes to hear. Servants woven of vexation mixed with shame's own dirt. Let him ask me, for I have spun the hurt. And well I know to turn and warp with finesse. And well I know the wicked to pick from the rest. And well I know their wickedness I assert. And the worthy and the prize do my heart concert. And the false and the liars I hate without redress. Toward disloyal clerics I turn my face, for they have heaped up all the pride that is, and the lies and the greed, and none but them in this knows how to betray with a traitor's grace. And they make it hurt in every place that thieves should be forbidden, and yet in this all they have taken or stolen without remiss. They go to serve the altar straight and without a trace. And the world they will love however it twists and turns, for nothing is spared from their desire spur. They fear not God nor sin nor any foul deed to occur, nor any ugly standing, doing or speaking that burns. So long as they can seize the lands and their returns, let whoever will let his eye be wet and blur. For they have no pity for others as I aver, but only their own belly to fill is their concern. And often they cause a pardon to come to pass for the wealth that overflows in their treasures hold. And this is their fine God, as I have told. Neither God nor man can enjoy the mass. And if God takes thanks from such service, alas, I hold it as well and truly scattered and cold. That was given to clothe the poor, to feed and to fold, and to give them food and clothing as it was. And of this you may be certain and assured, but the higher they are raised as prelates in the state, the less they have of faith and fealties await. And the more of lies and lying they have procured, and the less good can be spoken of them, be sure. For the more falsehood there is in their estate, and less of good and truth, and more of hate, and more of wrath that in them is immured. And the less one may presume to find in their nature of good or of any bounty's proper kind, for more of evil there is sealed and signed, and noted and written in quartos with every feature. And the less they prize God, calling him insane in their mind, and the less one finds a friendship bind, and the more they make evil practices flourish and mature. Nights one are to bury, and nevermore should men speak of them, for they are shamed and dishonored. See, their life is worth less than death, for they let the clergy need them like going through them. They lose their ken and are disinherited, and then, according to their right of fraud by decree, they are judged to perish utterly. With deceits the clergy want to seize and store, stealing when the post is vacant and bare. The lords of the world are planted under their care, those who are to rule and they rule no more. Charles Martel knew how to hold that man before, but this king they know is a fool, and they dare to make him do everything at their will and prayer. And what he should honor they shame to the core. Of clerics I have not heard outspoken, be sure, for it might be paid back dear. But they've gone so far in their career that the world should perish and endure. That the world should perish and endure.